Cargo 7291, wind 220 degrees 12 knots, runway 21 cleared to land.
I can land, runway 21, Cargo 7291.
On the 598 heavy Perth Tower, taxi holding point whiskey, runway 21 behind the metro. Velocity 686, commence departures.
Departures velocity 686.
Whiskey Bravo, Quebec, behind the 747 on final, line up runway 21 behind. Unit 383 Perth Tower, continue approach. Rex 2125, just for wake turbulence with the preceding heavy, you'll be going after the metro. Cargo 7291, vacate left at Charlie 9er and connect ground 122, decimal 2 vacating.
Charlie 9, 122.2, 7291.
Climb 592, Perth Tower. Whiskey Bravo, Quebec, runway 21 cleared for takeoff. Unit 383, wind 200 degrees 12 knots, runway 21 cleared to land.
21 cleared to land, Unity 383.